Alright guys, this is James 2bay439 here with Smart 19 Productions on the phone. Today is going to be the September 5th tornado siren test day. Go ahead and say hi.
Hello.
Yep, we got Ben on, and today we are going to be recording the September tornado siren test. First Saturday of the month at 1 p.m. Alright, I'm going to be quiet now. We'll cut to a few seconds before the siren starts. We'll cut now. Okay guys, that is going to conclude the September 5th tornado siren test for the Federal Signal 2001. And it's pretty loud. Ben, you can unmute now.
I already unmuted it.
Oh. But there you guys go. That was the tornado siren test. We'll be back again in October. I don't know what day it is on October. Let me check real quick. It will be October once I get to my calendar, October 3rd is going to be the next tornado siren test. There are only 2 left for this year because the sirens do not test in December, January, and February. So there's 2 left for the year. I'll be out to film them, and maybe Ben will join me on the phone as well. With that being said, CLS, that means comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.